Welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel, your trusted source for insights into the complexities of family law. I'm Rika Hayes, and if you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the latest updates. Today, we're delving into a tough question. Who loses the most during a divorce? Divorce is undoubtedly one of the life's most challenging experiences and often feels like there are no winners. But in this video, we'll explore who tends to be most affected by the divorce process and how to mitigate the impact on your life and your loved ones. First and foremost, it's essential to acknowledge that divorce impacts everyone involved. However, the extent of loss varies depending on individual circumstances. Let's discuss some of the key aspects. Emotional loss. Divorce can take a significant emotional toll on both spouses. The end of a marriage often comes with feelings of grief, anger, sadness, and uncertainty about the future. Children, too, may experience emotional turmoil during this time. Financial loss. Divorce can lead to financial challenges for both parties. Asset division, alimony, and child support payments can significantly impact your financial stability. It's crucial to seek legal advice to protect your financial interests during divorce. Parent-child relationships. Children often face the most significant emotional loss during a divorce. They may experience a sense of loss due to challenges and changes in their life and living arrangements and the dynamics between their parents, of course. Maintaining a healthy co-parenting relationship is crucial for their well-being. Social loss. Divorce can also result in social loss. Friends and extended family members may take sides and drift away, leaving you with a different support system than you had during your marriage. While divorce inevitably brings loss, it's essential to recognize that it also offers opportunities for growth, healing, and a chance to build a better future. Here are some strategies to navigate the challenges. Seek professional help. Emotional support from therapists or support groups can be immensely beneficial during this time. It's okay to ask for help and prioritize your mental health. Legal counsel. Consult with a family law attorney to protect your legal rights and ensure a fair division of assets and responsibilities. Open communication. If you have children, open and honest communication with your co-parent is key. Focus on your children's well-being and strive to maintain a healthy co-parenting relationship. Financial planning. Work with a financial advisor to create a post-divorce financial plan that aligns with your goals and helps secure your future. You may be asking, do men or women typically lose more in a divorce? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The outcome of a divorce depends on various factors, including individual circumstances, financial situations, and legal strategies. You may also ask, what can I do to protect my children during a divorce? Prioritize their emotional well-being, maintain stability, and keep communication open with your co-parent. In conclusion, divorce is a challenging process that can result in significant losses for all parties involved. However, it is also presents an opportunity for growth and a chance to create a better future. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Because you tuned in to the end of the video, we're giving away a free copy of the Texas Divorce Handbook. To claim your free copy, click on the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.